KROS stock is down a massive 73.2% in the pre-market session of today, the 12th of December 2024. I think the news is that the company has halted dosing in a trial of a treatment for pulmonary arterial hypertension following unexpected adverse pericardial effusion events. The company said the unanticipated events of pericardial effusion, which is when fluid builds up in the space around the chest, came in the phase two clinical trial of 3 milligrams per kilogram and 4.6 milligram per kilogram dosages of cibotacept in combination with background therapy. Yeah, that's the unfortunate news that came about this huge plunge. Who knows what's going to happen next? We're going to find out a little bit more. And so this is that plunge all the way. It plunged all the way down to $16.86, all the way from yesterday. Yesterday, the 11th, it closed at $68 or thereabout, roughly $68 or thereabout, approximately. Yeah. So it's not. It's most certainly not a penny stock. Most certainly not a penny stock. So this is its 4-hour chart. Let's see. Let's see what's going on right now. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to return to the 4-hour chart and use the chart on Trading View. We're going to use a chart on Trading View to see what's going on here. Okay, that's that plunge 4-hour chart. Coming back to the 1 minute chart, we might be able to see what that has happened so far. Yeah, yesterday that was where it was, and yeah, today now it's plunged down, and weakness is still forecasted further. We have a downward projection of 60. Okay, it has actually printed this low as well, $16.8. Yeah. Let's have a look at its 5 minute chart and see. Yeah, that's still very much intact. So I think we just have to go all the way back to its daily chart. We might see something. So you just want to see the trend. Okay, yeah, the stock is quite bullish in the short time. It's been, as a matter of fact, overall, you can see this is the 200-day moving average. It's been sloping bullishly upwards since the whole of this year. So with this plunge of over 73%, let's see, of the 73%, currently trading at 18.38. Let's see, it's actually pulled back around $2 or thereabout. So this will bring it. This is where it's going to be now to 18 point. This is not even on the scale. So it's a huge plunge. It's a huge plunge. And what are the odds that it's going to affect this 200-day moving average? What are the odds? It's just a 1 day event. Yeah, if it persists, then it might affect this 200-day moving average. But surely this chart, this trend will still be very much intact. So it's now showing a lot of weakness, a huge amount of weakness within a longer term bullish trend, So, but because it's not really a penny stock, it looks well capitalized. It may attract a decent amount of deep buyers. But we just have to probably do some more research on the company and find out a bit more. Maybe there isn't a lot of news there. We could just look at it here, just to find out a bit more. A bit more about the stock. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so yeah, anyway, this is not very much a big deal. Indeed, any company, any investment arm can have a stake in any company at all, and they do that. The companies may not, they do not necessarily have to be blue chip companies. They invest everywhere. So okay, so this was in September. They were saying the gains now after trial update on long disorder therapy. Oh, look at, I know where I have to check. I have to look at their website. Okay, so here's lands a $1.3 billion licensing deal with Takeda for MDS drug Eritacept. Okay, let's see. Okay, we just have to go and find out. Let's see. Let's see whether we're going to see their website. Let's see. And do some research on the company. Okay, let's see what TradingView has here for the company. So if TradingView, so if Morningstar are covering them, then it's they must be relevant. They must be relevant. Are they covering them? Let's see. Was just a profile in them, maybe? Do they have any report on them? Let's see chart. Let's see a chart. Okay, just a chart. Nothing to say here. Ownership, fair value. Let's see. Price and fair value. Okay, no notes on the company. I just want to find out if it has notes on the company. I think it may have. They probably are. Yeah, I think so. I think they're covering the company, so they want us to unlock and read what they're saying about the company. Yeah, I think so. Keros is not just a regular company. It's not one of those anyhow companies. Not regular. So yeah, expect something to happen. Expect some debind to occur. So, but if we have a look at it at the pipeline, we might be able to see what's what's going on. Okay, this is their website pipeline. Let's see. Okay, hematology. Okay. Pulmonary cardiovascular. This is the one that has they're stopping. Okay, so these are going on. Okay, they also note that they say they are halting. This does not mean that they have stopped. So a couple of pipelines. Okay, we have two in phase two. Yeah, let's see, coming back. Let's see. Let's go back to the 4 hour chart and see what we have there. Yeah, it could be definitely a buying opportunity here. Okay, so we just quickly here for us to just get an idea of the sort of rebound projections we can possibly hope to find. So we have a difference of 50.2. 50.2, if you multiply 50.2 by 1.38, you can get an idea of just a Fibonacci extension, 1.6. Okay, let's try something really modest. 50.21 multiplied by 1.618. We have 81.23. Okay, that looks really ambitious. Okay, so let's see. How did I determine 50? 50 is the loss it has. This is 50. So from the closing price of around $68 and where it is right now, so which is roughly a 50.2. So that has been done for us. So 50.2 multiplied by 0.618, we have 31. So if you add 31 to the current price of 18.45, you have $49. So it's something that can happen, something that can happen. So yeah, just see what you make of KRO stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.